Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, so we have this unboxing, right? I'm going to be doing the on-feet video for these right here, the brick by brick, or brick after brick, excuse me. Not the Sylvester Jordan 4. The brick by bricks are the last ones, right? But today we're doing the on-feet unboxing for this one, showing you guys what, again, these look like when we're rocking them. So we're going to hop outside and do that. Firstly, though, we're just going to show what they look like in hand here, you know, with all the details, the box, all that. And to kind of give our opinion on them, which one thing I can say right off the bat is these do look better in hand. I'm glad that the red pops a little bit more on the shoe. That's definitely a nice detail about it. But we're going to, you know, point out everything about the shoe, the box, the details on the inside of the box, you know, the shoe, insoles of and if there's anything there. And excuse me, let's get started. Again, if you guys do want more content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. And again, let me know what you guys are thinking about the brick after brick Jordan 4 down below in the comments. You copping a pair, you skipping on these, let me know down below. And of course, if you got a pair already, let me know down below too. And don't forget the sneakers drop tomorrow. Of course, it's another chance you guys can get them May 22nd there. So of course, a lot of us are gonna try for it there. Prices will probably go up. And don't forget, if you guys want to check out any of the TikTok lives, streetwear auctions, things like that we do over there, check that out in the pinned comment. Log my Instagram pages. You need bulk of anything I run on TikTok or like Supreme, any like brands that we do there. Again, check that out. Feel free to, you know, go give me a follow there and hit me up. That's everything I need to say, though. Hope y'all will enjoy, and let's unbox this sneaker right here, man. Maybe a sneaker of the year so far, but let's discuss it. So as you guys can see, before we actually dive into discussing the sneaker right here, firstly, I want to show y'all the box real quick. So let's just dive into the box first, because it's actually pretty nice. You got a gray brick theme box, as y'all can see. Keep in mind the last one for the brick by bricks. This is the brick after brick. The last one was orange, or kind of like more of a brick colorway. You all can see this one is more of like a kind of cement or like asphalt colorway, right? Or not asphalt, but more of that, you know, kind of cement gray, right? That's what we got right here. That's at least what I could notice. But aside from that, you know what I mean? Tons of plastic on the inside of the shoe. Obviously, I've already taken these out, but each sneaker comes in, you know, that plastic bag. Don't forget that. My bad, I just dropped those, but we will pick that back up right there. And then, of course, the NIGEL Sylvester's Go logo on the inside of the box for his Everything on Go brand. You guys can see that there. But aside from, there's so much like wrapping paper and stuff with this shoe. If I'm just being honest, a lot of packaging. I don't think as much as the last pair, which is nice. So thank you guys for reducing that a little bit, I think. But yeah, box is nice, kind of that cement gray look, like you know, brick right there. So that's pretty cool. But aside from that, let's actually get into showing y'all this sneaker before we put them on feet, show y'all what they just look like wearing them around. So you guys can see here is what it looks like. Y'all can see the Bike Air back by the heel. Let me grab the other sneaker so we kind of showing y'all these together. So boom, there is that Bike Air by the heel right there. So you guys can see that red stitching on kind of that cream background. And I'm not going to lie, that does look better in hand. I was someone that was not a fan of the cream look as much. And I'm not going to lie, I'm still not huge on it by the heel. Like, even seeing it right now, I still think they could have done without the cream by the heel. Like, I feel like they could have just done like red and white, or like maybe red and black and white or something. I don't know. Like, I feel like they could have changed up this portion a little bit, but it looks good still. I feel like it fits, so I'm not hating on it. We're going to wear these in a second anyway, so we'll see how that looks. Maybe it looks better on feet. That's definitely a possibility, so I'm keeping my mind open, basically, is what I'm saying. But aside from that, here's one of the extra laces. If I can get it out the shoe, I think there's another pair in there. I'll check. But we've got some black extra laces right there. Again, seems like they're going with that, so that seems pretty nice. I believe they're all black, at least. It looks like that. It's not like super dark, but you know, kind of like a toned down black colorway right there for one of the extra laces. I'm seeing if there's another one in here. I don't think there is, so let me check the other shoe to see if we got any other extra laces with them. Let's see. I'm sure there is. Oh yeah, here we go. We got some. We got some more extra laces. Hold on, guys. So we also have some red laces. Okay, these could work really nicely. Look at that red. I feel like, again, with the red we got around the sneaker I'm going to show. Look at that. Like, I feel like that works really well. So let me put that back in there. You can see the insoles also. As you guys can see, that Go logo again. Kind of that red and black insole. So something simple and nice right there. Another detail. We'll put the extra laces back in, though. And let me see if there's anything right here on the inside of the tongue tag. Oh, yeah. We got something here on the inside of the tongue tag as well. As you guys can see, it says Jordan Biking Co. 2017. All right, so basically when NIGEL Sylvester joined Nike, I assume. But boom, you all can see right there inside of the tongue tag, Jordan Biking Co. 2017. So that's pretty nice right there as well. And you all can see the tongue tag. Boom, just that Flight logo, nice and simple. And then the overall look of the sneaker right here, man, just such a nice pair. Let me show you all the other one, of course, with that tag on it, because I know that's what most people are looking for and kind of, you know, trying to see about the shoe. If I could not drop it, luckily we caught that. I'll just show you all them one at a time. But you can see the Bike Air logo right there on that tag. Super, super nice detail. They do this with a lot of popular Jordan 4s, so definitely something that I would just keep in mind. And you can see, again, I'm still going to stand on the fact that these look like a pair of fire red Jordan 4s. They're nice, and I really like them. And the soles are also dope on them. Again, I think they could have just done red and black on the soles. I think this just doesn't go with red. Like, can I be honest with y'all? I don't feel like this cream colorway goes with red and black. You know what I mean? Like, it still looks fine, but they could have just made the soles red and black, and I feel like that would have made the shoe so much better. Like, I feel like this just doesn't fit that well right here, nor does this back by the heel. Like, I feel like, again, if they just kind of stuck with this being like the red right here all around, and then this would have just kind of been a red and white, I feel like that would have looked really, really good, right? And they could have just made this red as well. Maybe then it would have been too similar to the fire red Jordan 4. Maybe that's why they changed it up a little bit. And fair enough if that's the reason why, but I feel like there's probably more to it. And maybe it's like there's a certain reason why there's like cream on the sneaker, or that's a colorway. I don't know why I'm so big on that, like being something I don't like about the shoe, but it's still a great pair. We're going to put these on. I know these are going to do some numbers. I expect them to actually go up in price tomorrow. That's how much people like them right now, even though I'm, still on the fence about them. We do have our personal pair right here, so we'll keep it in the background at least for you guys, and we'll figure out what we're doing with it, right? But aside from that, yeah, we're just going to kind of, store them in the inventory. You know what I mean? I'm not really going to rock them like that. Kind of like with the blue tops. We're keeping it to the end of the year. We're going to kind of figure out what we do with them after this year. I'll probably end up, like, keeping them for the collection or something like that. But, hey, stay tuned. We'll figure that out. So, aside from my yap sis right there and showing you all again what these look like up close, I love the bike air by the heel right there. I feel like that looks super, super nice. And then just the overall look of the sneaker. Both have unique insoles. I did not check out this insole right here. Let's see if there's anything crazy on there. It just says NIGEL SYLVESTER on this one, so you guys can see it says his name, that red and black font. Hopefully that's a little bit visible right there. I don't think it is. Here, let me get my flashlight, and then y'all be able to see that part a little bit more. Then we'll go outside and show all these on feet. Maybe you guys can see that a little bit. You see the red and black lettering. Sorry, let me see if I can get that out the camera shot a little bit. But maybe y'all can see that a bit, that red lettering right there, like barely visible, but it says NIGEL SYLVESTER right there. Maybe I'll try and like get like a good video or something when I'm outside of it. It'll probably be a little bit easier when I have my phone and we're just recording with that. But aside from that, what we're going to do right now, guys, is we're going to record the on-feet portion for this video and the outro as well. So stay tuned for that, guys. And yeah, again, these actually look really nice on camera. I'll say that. But let's test them on feet and see how they look. So yeah, let's give it a shot. See y'all outside. All right, so taking a look at these, man, looking at these on my phone, they seem so nice. I mean, check that out. Like, these look really, with this angle, yeah, these look nice. I'll definitely say that. You got the extra laces, the black pair, the red ones in there. Everything you got by the heel here too, man. These are dope. These are dope. I actually really, again, like, with this kind of style of video, they look really nice. You know what I mean? Like these, the box even looks really good. I don't know why. But yeah, on the Apple iPhone, these look good. But we're going to put them on feet, show you all that. Aside from all the little details here. I mean, yeah, look at that. Looks great now. Let's see on feet, though, if they look just as good, though. I wanted to make sure I show you all this, too. There's, like, the NIGEL SYLVESTER lettering on the inside. But, all right. Now we'll do the on feet. All right, boom. There's one of them on feet. Again, I mean, I like, the bike air, the hang tag, all that. But, man, I mean, if you... Aside from my Uggs, beautiful. I mean, don't they just kind of... From the overhead look right here, doesn't it just look like a pair of fire red 4s? I mean, aside from like the cream part and all that, I mean, and by the heel. And if you wear them with the tag, people obviously notice there's something, unique, but I like these still. I mean, they're great, but yeah, I'm standing on, they're definitely inspired by those. All right, let's get the other one on and then let's do this. And there's the other one, but now, aside from my Nike socks and everything else here and the loud traffic in the background, let's do this. Let's show you what these look like on feet, because here, let me do this. Obviously, people aren't gonna like me walking in the dirt, but you gotta rock the kicks everywhere, you know what I mean? And yeah, they look pretty solid. Like from this view right here, it's a very solid pair of sneaks, man. So, yeah, here, let me give you all the heel look too, you know what I mean? Right there, boom. It's a clean pair. So, let's get some better shots right now on these. I mean, check that out. Look at that. Yeah, I like that. You gotta wear them with I feel like wearing them with the tags and the move, but let's do the rest of the video now. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I can say about the little on-feet video for the NIGEL SYLVESTER Brick After Brick Jordan 4. These are dropping tomorrow. Let me know what you guys think about the sneaker right here, man. Is this a shoe that you guys are going to be looking to add to y'all's collection? Let me send to the tag right there. I like these. Again, I think it's a great Jordan 4. It's definitely a hype sneaker, probably one of the most hype shoes we have this month. So definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you already have a pair, let me know there as well. And if you want more like this, guys, subscribe and like down below. Check out my TikTok page. It's been grinding there in the lives. If you ever want to come Compton Streetwear off us, we did 200 plus things the last couple days, man. So I appreciate y'all just helping us stay super consistent. That's the main thing. So we're going to keep grinding this week. Got another live tomorrow. Today I'm just taking off to kind of finish packing, rest a bit more, hang out with my little cat right here, as y'all can see, being a goofy goober. We love little Miss Luna. I always try and give her the little daily video mention. And here, sorry, let me put the extra laces back in this shoe right here. But yeah, such a dope pair. Super excited. Yeah, get this video out to you guys, and hopefully it's not out too late. But super nice, man. Let me know if y'all copping these or if you're just waiting for the release tomorrow. And hopefully we see some retail dubs. My bad. This tag keeps flipping around. There we go. Hopefully we see some good retail dubs tomorrow, man, because I would like to see these get in the hands of a few people that really want them. But this is a sick pair, man. I can definitely say that. And shout out Goat for actually getting me on time. I'll take back what I said in the video that's going to be out tomorrow. All right. I probably will just leave it out. But yeah, I was upset at Goat. I was like, why y'all charge me priority and then my pair might be late? It's on time, though. So, hey, it's here now. We got the review out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And what I was going to say, check my Instagram page down below if y'all want to, too. If you need bulk of anything, if you need these, hit me up. And mainly, like, if you need bulk of Supreme, we do a lot of Supreme stuff. So check out my IG, check my available highlights. Let me know what you need, or just come cop a lot of us on the, what was I going to say, the TikTok auctions. Don't miss it, guys. And we post a lot of content there, too. So feel free to watch the videos we post there as well. We'll have a little reel out for the Nigels today. So that'll be there. All right. Long outro, but I will see you guys tomorrow on the next one, and hopefully I catch you guys then. Peace out, squad.